guys, what's up? Back again with another video, and today we are gonna do the burping challenge with Michael and Nolan to see who has the biggest burp of them all. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Michael's starting out with a big burp. Okay, you can like put back in the big one. Oh, he's going up.